This is the first of the brand new line of Sunreef yachts, the Sunreef 80, and they've got the 60 here as well. And it's just something I could not resist taking some video of. We've just had a press conference for about 35 people in this area here. There's one level. I'm standing on the aft terrace, you know, where the the tender can go. But look at all this dance floor space. And it's really only when you get aboard one of these Sunreefs that you can really start to appreciate the colossal amount of volume that you get for the money. This is 80 feet. It is truly like a sort of 130 foot super yacht. And if you don't believe me from this, check out the owner's cabin. Probably, and this is a charter yacht, but probably the largest cabin I've seen on a yacht. Obviously, each yacht is styled to the owner's wishes, very much sort of semi-custom thing, but I'll just explore my way around this bathroom. Heads would be doing it an injustice, and so this owner's gone for a soothing dark grey calming effect in the cabins. It's about twice the size of my bed at home, and the views out aren't bad, but say this just goes on, and then links to the kids' cabin, which is about as big a double ensuite as you could normally wish for. Lucky kids, eh? Like most Sunreefs, there's the indoor pilot station as well. Obligatory entertaining areas. Two more double guest cabins on the port side. All use these huge, great transverse doubles looking out of hull windows. Pretty easy to see why around 80% of these Sunreefs go into charter. And just look at the amount of beam on these new hull shapes. They've just packed in more and more volume. It's all about the lounging space. And then of course often the pièce de résistance on a Sunreef, the enormous flybridge area. This one, disappointingly lacking a jacuzzi, but look at the size of that table and bar area. If you have a look over to the 60 there, that's got one. All the sailing done from those twin helm positions. And then, in case you wanted a bit more sunbathing area, voila. Just give me a month on one of these in some hot islands, please.